In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Mini Cooper. It's located under the glove box. We're on the passenger side, underneath the dash, and glove box is where you're going to find the cover that we're going to be working on to remove, and then the cabin air filter, which should be above that. So the glove box is right here, and I'm right underneath. I'm going to pull down on this cover. It does say that there are screws in these four corners, so if you have screws in yours, you're going to remove those first, and then there's two tabs, one here and one here, and you're just going to pull that away like that, and do the same on the other side, and you're going to pull it down. Your cabin air filter is right here, and we're going to pull it down here, and then it's inserted in there, so we're going to pull it out this way. There may be some rodent activity. They like to put their nests in air filters for some reason, so if you have a nest like we do, you're going to want to clean all that out before installing the new one. There's an arrow on your air filter. Make sure it's pointing down. All right, so here we are underneath. We're going to start putting our air filter in here. I'm going to run it through this channel. So get it lined up. And you're going to slide it up into the channel. And it should stay on path. If it falls out of the channel, just fix it until the other end is where it belongs, inside right here, and it should stay up on its own. So slide it up in there. It should snap into place. And if you had screws, you can put them in the four corners. But like I said, ours were missing, and honestly, you don't really need them because there's four tabs that hold it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.